Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to apply AdSense for WordPress website. So let's get into it. First of all, you need to sign up for a Google AdSense account. Go to your WordPress dashboard and click Appearance. In Appearance, you will simply scroll down to Theme File Editor. Click on it, and it will open up the WordPress Edit Theme option for you where we can embed different codes and we will be able to add our Google AdSense. Simply scroll down, then choose a theme header in the Theme Files section. Enter the Google AdSense code just above the head tag. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.